Oh, what do we have here? Oh, good Lord. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh. They love their E90s here, E90 series cars. The thing's beautiful. Well, anyway, guys, so this isn't the type of video I wanted to make, or I guess the type of style video I wanted to make, but here we are. So, we've been running some oil test videos, or oil consumption videos, on the Scion. I've ran like 2 or 3 of them already, trying to figure out the oil burning. This is an 06. It burns oil. It burns about a quart every 1,000 miles. So, in the last 11,000 miles, I've been running Restore and Protect from Valvoline 5W30. They claim it'll remove up to 100% of deposits on the piston within 4 oil changes. So I've been running that, and I was recording it in a DIY Dave style video where every fill up, clear the chip computer, run it 300-400 miles, check, top up, and I had about 30 minutes of video footage over the last 3 oil changes from start to now. And what happened was, I don't know. My GoPro decided to just kill my memory card. It destroyed all the footage. It corrupted all of it. I can't access it. I don't know how to access it. I tried plugging it into my computer. I just can't get any of the footage back. I don't know. I'm a new YouTuber, so I didn't know that like you should probably back up your footage every so often. I was just recording it on my GoPro and only using my GoPro to record this stuff. And I come today and it's all gone. So, like I said, anyway, I don't want to make this video this way, but we're going to do it anyway because I want to put something out because I actually got good results on this car. So the car's here for a reason, by the way. We'll get into that later, but I ran the oil for 1,000 miles. I then changed the oil and I topped it up during that 1,000. We ran it again with an STP filter over there, just a basic 599 STP filter. We then ran it for 5,000 miles, topping it up, ran it for another 5,000 miles, topping it up. And then this is technically the 4th oil change right here on the car. And I came in, we're gonna do the oil change in the car and then, finish it up. It's currently sitting here for some work. But the car was burning about a quart every 1,000 miles. As of the last, 5,000 miles I put on it, basically. We've gotten it to, in my estimations, roughly, I think it took about 2 quarts in the 5,000 miles. So we went from 1 quart every 1,000 to 2 quarts in 5,000. So basically a quart every 2,500. Now I know, this car should technically be getting an oil change every 3,000 miles. We do oil changes normally on this car every 3,000 miles. I just wanted to try to elongate the oil changes a little bit, especially because this oil is kind of expensive. Walmart, it's $29. That's where you should probably get it. I paid $38 because I was short on time and I got it from AutoZone. But, so if we go off the 3,000 miles, like oil change intervals, this car can almost make it the full oil change interval with maybe a half quart in 3,000 miles, a splash of oil. So we've gotten good results, and I would only assume it would continue to get better using this. Now, to get back to why the Scion is here. The Scion was being used as a backup car. If you watch my YouTube channel, you saw that we got the E90. The E90s replaced this. But this is currently here because the rear brake calipers, the e-brakes basically seized. So we're working on that. We're going to put brakes. Oh, this is all squishy, by the way. My foot already sunk in it. Oh man, wow. Anyway, guys, just to show you guys. We are, got this hood for you. Sorry, the ground's really soft right now, but that's about 5,000 miles. The color, don't worry about how high it is. Just focus on the color. It looks pretty damn good. The car honestly used to come out kind of black on the oil changes, so that looks a lot better. It used to have varnish on the dipstick at the bottom. All that varnish is also gone. So that's nice. The car's dead anyway, so we can't start it. And all the guys in the shop are actually tied up right now, so I don't want to bug them to try to move cars around or try to jump start it or do any of that stuff. But the car's dead. But again, I want to put something out because it sucks I did all the work and I have good results for you other Scion boys. And, you know, I kind of lost the footage, but I said, you know, why not put something out? But it's worked. It has worked. But anyway, the car's in really good, I mean, it's dirty, but it's in really good condition otherwise. And that's why we were trying to, like, you know, take care of the car and save the car, make sure she's good. And that's why the oil burning bothered me so much. But coming around the car, the reason why it's here and why it's been here for a couple months, I brought it in because it was making some weird grinding sounds from the brakes. He looked at the brakes and literally as he pulled the drum or the disc off, the e-brake drums, like hardware, just fell into his hand. The pins, I thought they were like nails. It was actually the pins to the e-brake. Everything came out. Springs came out. It was all just completely rotted out and disintegrated back there. Thank you to Wisconsin for the snow, slush, and rust and everything that comes along with it. But that got destroyed. So we ordered new front and rear, complete rebuild for the rears. Front discs and pads. And while it was here, and I brought it in for the oil change and then to do this stuff as well. And it kind of just added on a list of items, you know. I'm like, hey, can you replace or fix this? So this is the door rail, and it was based for the window, and it was basically, instead of bolted in, it was just glued in. So I don't know what happened here, but that is gonna get taken care of. The other one's gonna get taken care of, and then the car's gonna be good. It's in really good condition. TC2 steering wheel. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto head unit, aftermarket speakers in it, JBLs, which are really nice. Oh, those are Kenwoods, sorry. Kenwoods. TC RS 4.0 seats, the Alcantara suede seats. Ambient lighting throughout the car. You guys saw when I popped the hood, there's an engine cold air intake as well as a strut tower bar in the front. And in the rear, we installed the wing that matches. And we have the TRD exhaust right there, buddy. Oh, yeah. So the car's in really good condition. That's why we kind of don't want to just toss it. But at the same time, like, we have other projects to worry about, and that's why it's been thrown on the back burner. But it's here. It's still alive. It looks really good in the sun right now. You can really tell that metallic paint, even though it's dirty. The flake in it, it's really nice. But it's here. She's surviving. At some point, we'll pull her and get her worked on and get her finished up and ready to go. The parts are in the car, as you saw the boxes right there. The brakes, the cables, everything's right there ready to go. I literally just threw the oil in too. But yeah, she needs a little bit of love. But once the love is given to her, she'll be taken care of. But yeah, I just sidetracked with other projects, and that's why it's still here. But like I said, just to end the video, Restore and Protect did give us positive results. It didn't completely eliminate the oil burning. Maybe that'll happen in the next 4, 5, 6 oil changes. But as for now, it's about 2 quarts every 5,000 miles, which is much, 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 much better. But thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm going to go to my X5 and go do E90. Go do X5 things.